Okay, I'm going to answer this question based on a picture of the unit circle. Okay, the secant of negative 121 is negative 121 degrees, actually is about negative 1.94. Okay, and there are infinitely many angles that have this value for the secant of that angle. But we have to pick from these choices right here. Okay, so right here is negative 121. Degrees. And that means we've gone 31 degrees past 90 in the negative direction, which leaves 59 degrees for this angle right here. And we call that the reference angle. And we're on the unit circle here. So this radius is 1. And these values are the x and y coordinates of this point on the unit circle. So the cosine of negative 121, or this angle right here, would be 180 plus 59. But the point is, this is the cosine of an angle its terminal side lies along this blue ray right here with a point on the unit circle. So the reciprocal, so I'll put this negative 0.515 here. The reciprocal of the cosine is the secant. So 1 over negative 0.515 is going to give us this negative 1.94. The reason the secant is negative is because in the third quadrant, the x-coordinate is negative. And of course, the hypotenuse we always take as positive. So now, can you picture a 59-degree angle here in the first quadrant? These are vertical angles right here. And the x and y coordinates of this point on the unit circle are identical to these x and y coordinates of the point down here, except they're positive. So this distance right here is 0.8572, and this distance right here, which is the cosine of 59 degrees, is 0.515. If I say the radius is 1, then the secant of 59 is 1 over 0.515, but that's going to be a positive number. So the ratios are the same, but the signs are different. And that's why this is the correct answer. The opposite of the secant of 59 will be the same as the secant of negative 121. Or, by the way, secant of 121, where's 121? 121 is over here, where this is a 59-degree angle. Right here. And well, I didn't draw that very well. It would actually be up here. There'd be your reference triangle. And this distance would be negative 0.515 still. Radius is 1. 1 over that number gives us the secant. So the secant of positive 121 is also the same. Okay, so it helps to be able to draw little diagrams like that to get a better understanding of what's going on. You can use trigonometric identities, like the cosine of negative theta is equal to the negative or the opposite of the cosine of positive theta, or the opposite of theta. And if I replace these with secant, I'll get the same identity. Okay, so that's where you're headed. If you have any questions, post a comment.